Good morning. Once again we come back in the quadratic equation, and in today's session we will start the very important topic regarding the nature of roots. Nature of roots. So before we start with the nature of roots, let us see. Suppose I am writing root over 9. What is its value? You will say it is plus minus 3. Okay. But when I say root over minus 9, then what is it? So you will say it cannot be determined. So this is called real number and this is called imaginary number. Imaginary number. So this is the quadratic form equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Okay. Now the solution is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So substituting a, b, c, you will get the roots, the solution, two roots. So without solving the question, we can determine the nature of root, whether it is real or whether it is imaginary. The roots, real or imaginary, decided by this segment. These are always real. So this is called discriminant, denoted by d or delta, and its value is b square minus 4ac, either small letter or. So the discriminant decides the nature of roots, whether it is real or not real whatsoever. Now let us discuss some cases. If discriminant is greater than 0, it means the value under root is more than 0, like this, then you will get roots are real and distinct or unequal. We can say distinct or unequal. It means you will get two different real roots, two values. But when discriminant is equal to 0, the value of this is 0, this plus minus goes away, so you will get only one value of x. So we can say roots are real and equal. Means two equal real roots you will get when discriminant is equal to 0. So we can say that when discriminant is greater than or equal to 0, so you will get roots are at least real. Or whether it is unequal or equal, but it is real. So this value must be greater than or equal to 0 for the real roots. Then fourth case, when discriminant is less than 0, like this. So we can say roots are not real. In senior class, you will study roots are not real or imaginary, we can say. One more topic, when discriminant is a perfect square, like this, 9, 25, etc. So you will get a value like plus 3 or minus 3 if it is 25 plus 5. So you will get, then roots are rational. If it is not a perfect square like root 5, root 7, you will get irrational roots. Irrational roots. So using by getting the value of discriminant without solving the equation, getting the value of x, we can find at least the nature of roots. So on these topics you will get a question in the board examination, and we have an exercise given in your book that is equal to 5.4. 5.4 you have to do. It's very simple, you can do by yourself. Now see. So exercise 5.4. first, second and third. You have first 6 question, second 6 question and third 2 questions. All are similar questions. I am going to do only one question. Just find the discriminant and hence find the nature of roots. So I am taking a question like second. The equation is 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So first we have to make this equation standard, like multiplying each and every term by 3. It is 9x square minus 6x, then 3 cancel, 1, that is 3 into 0, 0. So this is the same equation. A is 9, B is minus 6 and C is 1. Now first find the discriminant, b square minus 4ac. It is equal to minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 9 into 1, that is 36, minus 36, that is equal to 0. So discriminant is 0. Therefore, we can say that roots are real and equal. Second case, roots are two real equal roots you will get when discriminant is equal to 0. So first, second and third, in every question you have to do, recognize ABC, write the formula b square minus 4ac, that is called discriminant, substitute ABC and you will get either it is more than 0 or equal to 0 or less than 0. Then according to the case we have to write the cases. Roots are real and equal, or roots are real and different, roots are not real, etc. Okay, so this is the way to do the question. Now let us have some reverse questions. Now in reverse questions, question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These all questions are similar questions. So among them I am going to do the question number 6, first part. 6, first part. The equation is 3m plus 1 into x square plus 2 bracket m plus 1 into x plus m is equal to 0. Now recognize ABC. A is equal to 3m plus 1. B we have to insert 2, so 2m plus 2, and C is equal to m. Write the determinant, discriminant b square minus 4ac. We have to write 0 because it is in the question given that the roots of the equations are equal. Then discriminant is equal to 0. Now substitute. B is 2m plus 2 whole square minus 4 into 3m plus 1, that is A, and C is m, 0. So it is 4m square plus 4 plus a plus b whole square, 8m minus 12m square minus 4m, 0. That is expanding this whole term, each and every term. Now this and this we have minus 8m square plus 4m plus 4 is 0. So making it positive, divide each and every term by minus 4. You will get plus 2m square minus plus 1m minus 1 is 0. I am divided each and every term by minus 4. So it is plus 2 minus 1 minus 1. So middle term expansion 2 1 are 2. So we can write 2m square minus 2m plus m minus 1 is 0. So 2m is common, m minus 1 plus 1 is common, m in minus 1. You have done in class 9. 2m minus 1 is equal to 0. So substituting this is 0, m is equal to 1 and m is equal to minus 1 by 2. So before finalizing the answer, put this value in A. If A is 1, no need to check. This is the answer. When I putting the value m here, it is 3 plus 1 4. Okay, and substituting 1 by 2, it is also. So after putting the value of m, this value should not be 0. If it is 0, then that answer should be rejected. So we have to know when we are putting 1 and minus 1 by 2, in both the cases a's are not equal to 0. So we will write both are the answer. So when the value of m is either 1 or minus 1 by 2, the roots are always equal. The roots are always equal. So this types of questions you have to do. 4 or 5 or 6 years before, this topic is included in the syllabus in class 10. Earlier it was in class 11. Since 5 or 6 years, every time only on the basis of roots are equals usually asked in the examination. Only and only. So for the examination points of view, roots are equal case. The reverse question, either finding the value of m or finding the value of k or finding the value of p, you can find. That is the question. That is also called reverse question. So that's all the today's lecture. So you have to do your homework up to question number 6. Up to question number 6 only. Question number homework question 1 to 6 today's lecture, and the 50% we will do tomorrow's lecture. Okay? Thank you.